Good morning, dear students. We are doing lesson 5th, working with operating system. Our next concept is files, folders, and file system. Firstly, files. In our computer system, firstly, the organization of the computer system. You know very well that whatever we are entering in the computer is known as the input, and after that computer process that input and send to the output device. One more feature of the computer is storage, means whatever we are going to feed inside to the computer, that is stored in the memory of the computer. Whatever we are going to store inside the computer, that remains stored in the form of the files. For example, we are having some pictures, that pictures will be stored in the form of the files. We are having some audio clips, video clips, or data files, means that can be ms word file, document, excel file. So all of the things or matters or audio, video, whatever it is, that data will be stored in the form of the file. Next one is folder. Folders are used to keep store the files. Folders make it folder make it convenient to store the files. Here I am telling you the file system. You can see in this tree, the first one is the root folder. After that, the root folder is having two subfolders, folder 1, folder 2. After that, the folder 1 is having subfolders, folder 1a, folder 1a1. Means it depends upon us that how much we can make the subfolder of a folder. The first one, beginning folder, is known as the root folder. I am telling you with the one example. For example, we want to store the data of our school, and this data can be categorized in the different categories. For example, firstly, the data of the teachers. We want to store the data of the teachers. In that case, we will make a folder with the name teacher, and under this folder name teacher, we can further divide the different faculties. For example, science teachers, math teachers, computer teachers. Under the science teachers folder, we can keep the record of all of the teachers who are teaching the science. Similarly, under the math folder, we can keep the record of all those teachers, those who are teaching the math. Now, this is a folder which is having the record of the teachers, and this folder, which name is teacher, it is the subfolder of the main folder which is having the name school. Means under the school, one folder is teachers, and one folder we are going to make more one, that is the student folder. In that folder we will keep the record of the all of the students, and we can categorize the students also as study students and the sports students. Under the study students, we will keep record of all the study students, and under the sports students we can keep the record of the all sports students. And where we are going to keep the records, that a particular location is known as the files, and where the files are stored, that I told you, is folder. Folders can be categorized or divided upon our requirement. Views of the files or the folders. We can keep view of the files or the folders in the different scenarios. For that, one button is here, this one you can see,